Hello traders, welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies. In today's video, I'm going to share an incredibly simple yet powerful 1-minute pocket option strategy. This strategy is based on the Fractal Indicator, and we'll be using it in a unique way, as a support and resistance tool rather than for direct trade signals. But before we jump in, a quick and important reminder. Binary options trading involves risk. You can lose money, and past performance does not guarantee future results. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always trade responsibly and only use money you can afford to lose. Now, before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on future strategies and trading tips. Your support helps me bring more valuable content to you. All right, let's get started. We'll be using the Fractal Indicator with a 5-period setting. But here's the twist. We will not trade based on fractal signals directly. Instead, we'll use them as support and resistance levels to make high-probability trades. Trading rules for today's strategy. Sell setup. When the fractal indicator forms a triangle above a candle, it signals a possible resistance level. If the price reverses from this level and later comes back to test it again, we consider it a confirmed resistance. Once a bearish candle forms at this level, it's a confirmation for a sell trade. Enter a 1-minute sell trade on the next candle. Buy setup. When the fractal indicator forms a triangle below a candle, it signals a possible support level. If the price bounces from this level and later comes back to test it again, it's a confirmed support. Once a bullish candle forms, it's a confirmation for a buy trade. Enter a 1-minute buy trade on the next candle. Set your candle chart on the 15-second time frame. Set your trade expiry to exactly 1 minute. Try trading during the European and New York sessions, as these sessions usually provide clearer trends. Also, avoid trading during high-impact news events to stay clear of unpredictable market moves. Before risking real money, practice this strategy on a demo account first. It helps you gain confidence and understand the setup in live market conditions without financial risk. Check the description box below for more details and fractal indicator settings. Now comes the most exciting part, real market action. Let's move over to the live charts where I'll show you exactly how this strategy works in real time. Stay tuned, don't skip ahead, because every trade I take will have valuable insights to help you become a better trader. Ready? Let's dive into some live trades right now. As you can see on the chart, the fractal indicator gave a sell signal, which is marked by a triangle above the candle. After this signal, the price reversed from that level and came back to the same level again. This tells us that the price is now at a strong resistance level. Now, here's the confirmation we've been waiting for. A bearish candle has formed and closed firmly at this resistance level. This is our signal to take a sell trade. So, I've taken a 1-minute sell trade at this level. Let's wait for the result and see how it plays out. We've won this trade. This confirms that our strategy is working as expected. The resistance level held strong, and the price moved downward just as we anticipated. But remember, not every trade will be a winner, so always follow proper risk management to protect your capital. Now let's look for another perfect trade setup using the same strategy. All right, traders, here's an interesting setup forming on the chart. The fractal indicator has given a buy signal twice before at this level, with the triangle appearing below the candle. This tells us that the price has reached a strong support zone. Since the market has respected this level before, there's a high chance it could act as support again. Now, a bullish candle has formed at this level, giving us confirmation to enter a buy trade. So, I have just placed a 1-minute buy trade. However, there's something interesting happening here. The price is currently in a strong downtrend, but at the same time, this level has acted as strong support before. So now the big question is, who will win? The buyers or the sellers? If buyers take control, we should see the price bounce off this level and move upward. If sellers remain dominant, the price may break below this support and continue the downtrend. Let's wait and see how this trade plays out. We lost this trade, and that's completely fine. Losses are a part of trading, and even the best strategies don't win 100% of the time. So, what happened here? The fractal indicator identified a strong support level. a bullish candle formed, giving us a confirmation for a buy trade. However, the downtrend was too strong, and sellers pushed the price below support, causing the trade to lose. Even when a support or resistance level looks strong, if the market is in a strong trend, there's always a risk that the level might break. That's why it's important to analyze the trend before taking trades. Remember, a single loss doesn't define your success in trading. What matters is sticking to a proven strategy and managing your risk properly. All right, traders, here's another exciting setup forming on the chart. The fractal indicator has given a sell signal, which is confirmed by the triangle appearing above the candle. This tells us that the price has reached a strong resistance level, meaning sellers might take control and push the price down. Now, a bearish candle has formed at this level, giving us the final confirmation to enter a sell trade. So, I've just placed a 1-minute sell trade. Now, let's wait for the result. Stay with me. Let's see how this trade plays out. We won this trade. That's a perfect example of how this strategy works when all conditions align. The fractal indicator helped us spot a strong resistance level, and the bearish candle confirmed the sell trade, leading to a successful trade. Remember, no strategy wins 100% of the time, but by following a solid plan and managing risk properly, you can increase your accuracy and confidence in trading. Before we wrap up, let's do a quick recap of today's strategy. Use the fractal indicator, 5-period, to identify support and resistance levels. Wait for price to retest those levels for confirmation. Enter a trade only when a strong bullish or bearish candle confirms the setup. Trade during high-volume sessions, European and New York, for better accuracy. Avoid trading during high-impact news events to prevent unpredictable market moves. Practice on a demo account before using real money to master the strategy. If you apply these rules consistently, you'll improve your trading skills and make better decisions in the market. That's it for today's session. I hope you found this strategy helpful and easy to understand. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to smash the like button to support the channel. Comment below with your thoughts, questions, or any strategy requests for future videos. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new trading strategy. Check the description box for more details and indicator settings. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading!